of the following which is greater than 1/2? 2/5, 4/7, 4/9, 5/11, or 6/13. So there are two ways to solve this. We can convert all the fractions to decimal and then compare which is greater than 1/2. So we know that 1/2 is equal to 0.5. But it is very time consuming if we will convert all these fractions to decimal. So the easier way is we convert 1/2 with a denominator of 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13, then we compare the numerator. Okay, so for the first fraction, 2/5, we convert 1/2 with a denominator of 5. So just divide 5, divide 5 to 2. So 5 divided by 2, that is equal to 2.5. So therefore, 1/2 is equal to 2.5 over 5. Okay? So half of 5 is 2.5. So we compare 2/5 to 2.5. So 2 is less than 2.5. So therefore, 2/5 is not greater than 1/2. Okay, so next we have 4/7. We divide 7 by 2. 7 divided by 2, that is 3.5. So therefore, the equivalent of 1/2 with a denominator of 7 is 3.5 over 7. So we compare 4 to 3.5. So 4 is greater than 3.5. So therefore, 4/7 is greater than 1/2. So this is our answer. So let's just prove that 4/9, 5/11, and 6/13 is not greater than 1/2. Okay? So 4/9, so divide 9 by 2. So we have divide 9 by 2, that is equal to 4.5. So we have 4.5 over 9. So that is the equivalent of 1/2. So 4 is less than 4.5. So this is not greater than 1/2. Another 5/11. So divide 11 by 2. That is 5.5. So we have 5.5 over 11. So this is the equivalent of 1/2. So 5 is less than 5.5. So this is not greater than 1/2. And then last one for 6/13. 13 divided by 2. That is equal to 6.5. So the equivalent of 1/2 is 6.5 over 13. So 6 is less than 6.5. Therefore, 6/13 is not greater than 1/2. So the only fraction that is greater than 1/2 is 4/7. Follow for more.